Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're taking a look at a battery case for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus from ZeroLemon, and I have used one of the cases before on the OnePlus 3 and I had a good experience with it. So the battery cases that they have are quite bulky because they pack a lot of juice. They also offer a slimmer one with a 5200 mAh capacity that keeps your phone going for an additional day and a half, while at the same time keeping a slimmer look than this one, in case you're interested. Alright, so let's take a quick look at what you get in the box. The battery case comes well protected in bubble wrap, and you get the 12-month warranty card. You also get their promise of quality card and the user manual, which tells you how to break in the battery. So here we have the case. It's a massive case with the 8000 mAh battery capacity, and this can charge the 3500 mAh battery in the S9 Plus about 2 times, with a little bit on the 3rd time. I'll now be putting the S9 Plus in there so you can see how the process is and how big it looks with it. So the case comes in 3 parts. You have the hard plastic shell where the battery sits and where you slide your phone into the USB-C port. You then have the front frame to hold your phone down to the battery, and it has a small lip to protect the screen from very short drops. Now the last part is the rubbery TPU shell that has somewhat of a soft rubbery feel to it that protects the battery, and it also has good grip. So as you can see, this makes your phone look massive. Surprisingly, I can still hold the phone with one hand, but can't really use it well with one hand. I have to use both of them. This will be more of an issue with those of you with smaller hands. I can still manage to reach the fingerprint scanner quite well, but I suspect that this will be a hit or miss situation for most people. It would have been nice if they had a cutout angle towards the fingerprint scanner to help you reach it better, but if you have that face unlock enabled, then this won't really be a problem. Because of how bulky the case is, it won't fit on your pants depending on what you're wearing. There will be a massive bulk protruding from your pocket if you do manage to fit it on some tight jeans. It doesn't look so bad if you wear cargo pants when you have this case on you, and the case is pretty lightweight however considering the size of it, so it won't really be dragging down your pants. So you will be able to get away without wearing a belt. Let's take a closer look at the case now. On the bottom is the speaker cutout that doesn't affect the sound. Next to that is a USB Type-C charging port to charge the battery, and it also works for data transfer. Followed by the auxiliary cutout and the earphones that came with the Samsung fit perfectly, and it also works with the ones that have the tip that are 90-degree bent. So the case doesn't have very clicky buttons, but they aren't difficult to press down on them. It would have been nice if the plus symbol and minus symbol on the volume protruded a little bit so you can feel where the buttons are. So the battery case outputs 5 volts to 1.5 amps, so it doesn't support Samsung's adaptive fast charging, which is a bit of a bummer. Their 5200 mAh battery case does support it, so this extended battery case will charge your phone slowly. It's not terrible since the case will keep your phone charged, and I don't have the 5200 mAh battery case to show you a comparison, but I will leave a link to it in the description in case you want to check it out. On the back you have the battery life indicator that goes in increments of 25% on each dot. Pressing once on the power button will show you how much battery is left in the case, and holding down for 3 seconds will power it on. So there is a wide opening where the camera is, and it needs to be there because of how deep it is so it doesn't interfere with the flash and cause shadows in your pictures, so you don't have to worry about taking off the case if you want to use your flash. So ZeroLemon states that NFC is not supported with this case on, but I found that it actually did work. I can still beam stuff to other phones by tapping one phone to the other. It's a bit slow at times, or I need to move it around a bit in the NFC area, but in my case I found that it worked well. Surprisingly, I was also able to use Google Pay and Samsung Pay while I had the case on. So far I only tried it 12 times, and it worked very good 8 out of the 12 times that I tried it. So this extended battery case is not for the average consumer. If you care about keeping the slimness of the phone, then I wouldn't recommend you get this one. Maybe check out their 5200 mAh one. This is for those of you who don't mind adding some bulk to your phone to triple your battery life while staying wire free. It's not going to be your everyday case. It's a case you can take if you ever go camping or go backpacking for a few days, or even if you go on trips to theme parks where you will surely drain your battery with a lot of pictures and videos that you will be taking. It's also great for those of you who want to keep playing games on the phone and not have to be stuck to a cable. So for those of you, I would highly recommend it. Alright, so that concludes today's review. Leave a like if you enjoyed today's video and subscribe to stay updated on my latest video. Also let me know if you would like to see more battery cases review so I can deliver that to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you on the next one.